welcome to Brandon's YouTube channel. We are in Sri Lanka and we are going to see the Babarakanda Falls, which also known as Bambarakanda Falls, is the tallest waterfall in Sri Lanka, which a height of 263 meters, 863 feet. It ranks as the 461 highest waterfall in the world. Situated in Kalupahana in the Badulla district. Get ready for an exciting journey to Babarakanda Falls in Sri Lanka. Imagine lush green forests, towering mountains, and a waterfall so tall it looks like it touches the sky. That's Babarakanda Falls for you, a place filled with wonders waiting to be explored. Breathing fresh air, enjoying the nature. The air was cold and crisp, and we could see colorful birds flitting above the trees. It felt like we were in a magical forest from a storybook. As we got closer, we could hear the sounds of rushing water growing louder and louder. Suddenly, through the trees, we caught our first glimpse of Bambarakanda Falls. Whoa, it was huge! The water tumbled down from the way up high, creating a mystery cloud around the base of the fall. First, we hopped onto a bumpy but super fun jeep ride that took us through windy roads surrounded by tea plantations. Let's go to see the Kalupahana Falls. We couldn't wait to get closer, so we followed the trail that led us through the forest. Along the way, we spotted butterflies of all colors, bright orange, deep blue, and even some spots like tiny rainbows. The trees were so tall that their branches formed a natural canopy above us, keeping us cool from the sun. When we finally reached Bambarakanda Falls, we were amazed by its beauty. The water crashed into a pool below, creating ripples that sparkled in the sunlight. We even saw tiny fish swimming around. We dipped our toes into the cool water, while others snapped pictures to capture this unforgettable moment. After exploring around the falls, we had a picnic lunch on the rock nearby. We ate sandwiches, fresh fruit, and sipped on refreshing juice. It felt very peaceful. Listening to the sound of the waterfall and the birds chirping happily around us. As we waved goodbye to Babarakanda Falls, we felt grateful for the amazing adventure we had. It was a day filled with laughter, discoveries, and new friends. We will never forget the sight and sound of this incredible place, a true treasure in heights of Sri Lanka. So if you ever get the chance, don't miss out on visiting Bambarakanda Falls. It's a magical place. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel. Bye.